Are you tired of eating cold leftovers at work or on the road? My name is Kate with WTI, and this SOHIDA electric lunchbox will solve that problem. Instead of relying on a microwave, you can plug this in either at the office or right into your car. You can enjoy hot food absolutely anywhere. It's an excellent option for commuters or truck drivers or anyone who works away from home. It's a really generous size, so it gives you a lot of room for a full meal. It also comes with a small little separate compartment for foods that don't need heating. After you plug this in and it starts heating, you're gonna have a hot meal in about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. It comes with a great lid, so it really seals in, locks everything in, but it also comes with little utensils, so that's really convenient. It also holds your phone if you want. The stainless steel container is removable, so you can either throw it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. And it comes with an insulated carrying bag, so that helps to keep the temperature even until you're ready to heat it. So if you're regularly bringing a lunch to work but having a hard time finding a place to heat it up, I think you're gonna absolutely love this. You can eat hot food on the road, and that's my point of view.